Okay, let's look at Euro USD and let's have a trading strategy for tomorrow, the 25th uh, day of June. The markets will open for a new day in the next few hours. Okay, let's look at our yesterday analysis. Now, I gave us two possibilities that could happen in the market: the break, retest, and moving to the downside. Of course, I was expecting the market to do some level of consolidation before breaking out of the structure and retesting the structure, but the consolidation was little. Okay, this was the consolidation. Then the market broke out and retested. Let me go to a smaller time frame. Market broke out, retested just as we predicted, and gave us all the possibilities that is going to the downside. Now, if you have traded this, if you have traded the break from this structure and the retest, you would have made at least 1:3, 1:3, or 1:4 from this move. Yeah. Why is that? Okay, let me give you if you have traded this was the break, this was the retest, so this would have been my entry. This would have been my entry. The break of this candlestick. Okay, I didn't trade this. Okay, now note this: once you are trading GBP USD, please don't trade it together with Euro USD because the price action are always the same or they are closely related. So if you want to trade multiple pairs, once you are trading GBP USD, please don't trade Euro USD because you will be risking too much on the same different pair though, but they have the same movement. So if you are trading GBP USD, don't trade Euro USD. Okay. Now, if I trade this would have been my entry, break of this candle, retest. So this is 1:4.3. So this would have been a good trade, but I didn't take this trade as at today. I didn't take this trade. Now, let's now look at what are the possibility of this market come 25th of June, which is just few hours from now. Now, what are the possibilities? Now, the markets broke, retested, and gave us all the possibility of moving to the downside. But I want to say this, please. This is not just a sell market. This could be a reversal. This could be a reversal to the upside. So watch out for bullish movement and bearish movement from this pair. Very, very possible. Now, what should you watch out for or look at for you to sell and for you to buy? Now, let me show you. Now, let's draw a mini structure here. Now, if the price is above this level, you have no business with selling. The only time you should sell is when the price break out of the structure. But as long as the price is still at this, on top of this level, please don't enter into a sell trade. Okay, I told us in our previous video that always track the price between support and resistance, then wait for the break of structure, wait for the retest, wait for confirmation of a bullish or bearish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, depending on the area you want to take the trade to, whether buy or sell. Now, I told us until the market break this structure, you have no business with selling this pair. Break, retest. Okay, so as long as the market is still above this level, you are not to sell. Now, okay, should we buy above this level? Don't buy until you see some level of price movement and break of structure. And let me give you an instance. When should you buy this? When should you buy? Let me tell you when you should buy. Now, when the market break out of this level, if you see something like this, if you see something like this, break from this structure, retest, bullish candle for confirmation, then you can target this next level. So this is my trading strategy for 25th of June. This is my trading strategy. So in the next few hours, once the market open, I will watch out for break from this structure, retest, bullish candle to the upside, bearish candle engulf it to the downside, or weak rejection. So if nothing happen, if the price continue moving around this level, I have no business with the market for the day. So now, what's our price? What's our trading strategy for tomorrow? The break of this structure retest, look for bearish engulfing candle to the downside. The break of this structure retest, look for bullish candle to the upside. This is our strategy for the 25th of June. Okay, please do your own analysis. This video is just for educational purpose. Do your own analysis and get your own confirmation. Okay, and let's take this trade together. All right, take care. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and always watch out for my daily analysis before the market open. Okay, before the market open for the day, I do the analysis and drop there on this channel. So please subscribe and like and share this video. Have a nice day. See you in the next pair. Bye.